Hello Bladers. The Vios is like a staple in the Philippines. We see them everywhere cause it looks sleek, it's made by one of the most trusted brands, it doesn't cost a ton, and it's super easy to maintain. However, even if it has a lot of advantages, it's still susceptible to issues. Here we list down the common problems every Toyota Vios owner should look out for and how they can address them. Welcome to our daily drive, everyday tips for the everyday driver. Common Toyota Vios problems. Number 1. It suddenly powers off while driving. If this happens to you while driving, check your fuse box. Look for any damage or loose burnt cables. If they are still in tip-top shape, then drop by your repair shop so they can check your spark ignition. Number 2. Regular stalling problem. If your car has a stalling problem, then you can ask your repair shop to look for any of these. Vacuum leaks. Too much air entering the intake manifold. A busted throttle position, oxygen sensor, or manifold absolute pressure sensor. Contaminated fuel injectors. Weak fuel pump. Damaged fuel pressure regulator. Damaged or blocked fuel filter. Number 3. Vios won't start. If your Vios simply won't start, then it might be because of the starter system, the spark system, or the fuel system. Start with checking if the battery of your car is okay. If it's fine, then time to check the ignition coil, distributor cap, and the coil wire. If all else fails, check your fuel filter and lines for clogs. Number 4. Steering noise. If you hear a knock, a whine or a hum, then chances are you need to bring it to a car repair shop. Remember that if you don't address it right away, your car might get damaged beyond repair. Number 5. Window not working. Try checking the fuse box if your window isn't working. However, if it's fine, then better ask a professional to take a look at it. Number 6. Car vibration. When your car keeps vibrating, it must be a problem with the compressor. Bring your car to a repair shop so they can check if it's the compressor bearing or the compressor assembly that needs replacement. Do you agree with our list? Or did we miss some of the ideas had in mind? Comment down below so we can discuss it. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center. It's Blade, it's better. If you like this video, please share it with your friends on social media. Help us build more subscribers by spreading the word around. Click the round icon to subscribe and one of the videos on the left to watch our next feature. See you again soon.